There you are.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
The quarantine
Is this
phase
angle
two.
all right? Is this camera angle okay? Because थोड़ा नीचे नहीं है?
थोड़ा नीचे भी है and like you know sun का light बहुत है. You're
हाँ ना.
literally getting
अभी थोड़ा better है ना?
Yeah, अभी better है. अभी
हाँ
काफी
तो I'll have to hold it in my hand only.
Yeah, and it's very tiring after a point, you know.
Yeah,
Then
because
you
at this point there is such
Yeah.
sharp light coming in my house. मतलब शाम को.
The sun is giving you
Yeah.
the sun, the you know the kiss actually.
Yeah,
Because you
it's
cannot
right
step
on
out.
my.
The good thing also,
Sorry?
you know, if you don't like a suntan, then you know the good thing about you know this quarantine phase is that you know you can get rid of a suntan for sure. For
Yeah.
a lot of people.
Yeah, but I don't mind यार. मतलब ठीक है थोड़ा time हो
Yeah.
गया तो ठीक है कोई problem नहीं है.
And what is this look? Is this your quarantine look?
This has now become my quarantine look. मतलब अभी
Okay.
बन गया है ये. I'll try keeping it down.
Yeah, it's
Is this
okay.
alright?
Keep it down. This is fine. Can you
I'll
just
also try.
move like
I'll do
thoda
something
us
about the
taraf?
light. Just give me a second. Better, na?
Much better. Yeah, now it's much better for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, tell me
This
about your
has
look.
become my quarantine look, यार. मतलब ये ऐसे था नहीं. I was actually filming for Haseen Dilruba. And वहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत दाढ़ी थी, but then when we called off the shoot तो वो बढ़ती गई. अब जब तक shoot शुरू होगी नहीं तब तक बढ़ती रहेगी दाढ़ी.
So you cannot even trim it.
I don't want to take a chance here. I think this is not my property anymore. This is my producer's property. So,
Wow.
so क्या है कि अगर कम कर देते हैं ना तो दिक्कत हो जाती है. फिर एक बार क्या है ऊपर से कम करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
Also tell me like what are you doing in this quarantine phase? Are you alone at home and do you have your family with you? And like,
I have my family around. I do have my family around. I am living in with my girlfriend. We live together for the last 4 years. And हम दोनों हैं घर पे, but my parents are right next door. They मतलब हम मिले नहीं है quarantine में. Especially my father, I haven't met him. Because he's diabetic and he's a heart patient and he's a senior citizen. तो क्या है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा extra ख्याल रखना पड़ रहा है इसमें.
Yeah, you have to be very careful to you know even meet them like at this moment.
Yeah, so we haven't met. Phone पे video call हो रहा है हमारा. It's just Sheetal and I, both of us are living together. My mom and dad are living together. दोनों के घर के जितने भी staff थे सब को छुट्टी दे दी गई है. Everyone's gone away.
Okay. So you're working for sure, I'm sure. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
yeah.
What is your contribution? Big Boss के घर में आपका क्या contribution है?
यार इस घर में I think like anyone else, I think मेरा भी वही contribution है like any other person in the house. मतलब झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन खाना यही है जो चीजें हो
Have you
रही हैं.
done this before, Vikrant? Like you know झाड़ू पोछा
Yeah,
बर्तन
obviously.
Yeah, so you're used to it, चलो.
Yeah. I wouldn't say that I'm used to it. I've gotten back in touch with all of this like after years. But my mother has, she's really sort of trained my brother and I really well. So झाड़ू पोछा मतलब, my mother was always of this opinion कि, guys should equally be self-sufficient. कल को, खाना बनाना भी पड़े या ये सारी चीजें करनी पड़े तो you should know how to do it by yourself.
So who's taken the charge of cooking food though?
Sheetal is cooking.
You?
And some days I do, मतलब whatever little I can do. मतलब I tried making rotis the other day. They were in the shape of Africa. तो वो round बनने. So that happened. दाल चावल basic जो छोटी मोटी चीजें होती है वो तो मैं कर ही लेता हूँ. But Sheetal does not prefer eating मेरे हाथ का खाना because वो बहुत अजीब होता है. So she's looking after the cooking. I am looking after the cleaning and the rest of the things. And कभी-कभी क्या हफ्ते में 2-3 दिन बार तो mom के यहाँ से खाना आ जाता है. She cooks for all of us.
Yeah, you sorted somewhere. Like माँ का प्यार आई
Yeah,
जाता है.
मतलब it's like any other house यार. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि यहाँ पे कुछ खास हो रहा है. It's like any other house. So we wake up in the morning. I do the dishes. I do झाड़ू पोछा, and she cooks and I clean. That's about it.
Yeah. But how many months for you actually, like staying in this quarantine phase for you?
Sorry, come again.
How many months for you? Like how many days for you? Being in this quarantine phase. More than a month.
Yeah, I came back on the 16th or the 17th last month from Haridwar, and I think they announced the lockdown on the 20th or the 21st. If I'm not wrong. 23rd, right?
Yeah.
हाँ तो मतलब तब से घर पे ही हैं. मतलब I think thrice I have stepped out niche to get perishables like vegetables and all.
But somewhere my fear is like, somewhere we all are sort of, getting in that comfort zone now, being in this
Your voice is
quarantine.
not audible. I think there's some network
Can you
issue.
hear me now? Can you hear me now? I think I have to just
Yeah.
get it close. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
saying like somewhere I feel that, people are getting comfortable now in this quarantine phase. Like
Yeah.
they are actually getting used
I am
to
very
it.
comfortable.
Yeah.
I'm extremely comfortable. I know a lot of people around me who are comfortable. Uh, I have also said this, कि after years I have been home for more than like a week, 10 days. And तो सबसे बुरी चीज ये है कि दोपहर की जो नींद की आदत पड़ गई है ना,
That's very
that's really worrisome because I am loving it. क्या lunch वंच करके फिर सो जाओ, then you wake up in the evening and then you're like, अरे once we go back to work, ये afternoon nap तो नहीं हो पाएगा यार.
Yeah. It's like actually
So,
like, all those school days and that summer vacation, coming back to our lives in a way. Like, actually
Yeah.
having, getting naps and all like that and,
Yeah.
having, fun and eating a lot of food, putting
eating
on
a lot
weight.
of food
Yeah.
and watching a lot of movies and shows and reading a lot of scripts, reading a lot of books, chit-chatting over like now there are so many things that are out, like there's an app, there are so many apps right now which you are using to reconnect with your friends, like you're having 8 people at one time, and then last weekend I think last Saturday, so all my friends got together on a con call and all of us were talking. We were like 10 of us together.
On which app was this? 10?
Yeah, I think it was Zoom.
House party? No, Zoom. Okay.
No, I think it was Zoom.
Yeah. It's become like one kind of hub for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Like everyone is getting very active over there. But Vikrant, which all films for you have been put on hold as of now because of the quarantine phase? Like which all projects were you working on personally?
I was filming for Haseen Dilruba.
Okay.
Which is Color Yellow Motion Pictures film, and I was working with Taapsee on it.
And you're playing the lead role in it.
Yes. So
the
film features Taapsee and I. Taapsee and me, yeah. So, what is it about? It's a thriller, and I'm really looking forward to it. It happens to be one of those very rare scripts that really caught my attention in the first go itself. And I'm so proud to be associated with this film. Vinil is directing it. Collaborating with him is also such an important thing. It's such a wonderful feeling. And Taapsee, as we all know, she's one of the finest actors we have right now, and she's incredibly talented. So it's a wonderful team. Kanika Dhillon's written the film, and I'm really, really excited.
Also, the posters, what we have seen so far, are very interesting for sure.
Yes.
So that is of course, building that kind of curiosity. What exactly the movie is all about. Tell me something about your role, if you can, like throw some light at least, like thoda sa like on it.
All I can say is I play an engineer in the film.
Okay.
As of now, I play an engineer in the film, and that's all I can say right now. I really don't want to divulge too much about it because we haven't yet finished filming, and that's about it.
But of what you
there are so many people right now who are sending in so many messages. Before we begin, I want to say thank you. I really, really want to say thank you so much. People are saying please be more active on Twitter. Oh, that's too tough, yeah. I think Twitter is very difficult for me. I've really tried a lot to be very active on Twitter. But the problem is the moment I get on Twitter and I speak my mind, I think that really sort of disturbs a lot of people, So
I feel that platform is quite negative also. Like people end up trolling you a lot rather than actually appreciating what you're writing or anything, like or letting it be there as it is, because a lot of celebs also get trolled a lot on that platform. What are your thoughts on that? Like I feel like personally I've seen Swara Bhaskar and even Taapsee Pannu when going through all these things and all, and they talk rubbish, like they literally
I think celebrity or no celebrity, I think we today are unfortunately living in times when it's either or, if I can put it that way. So there is absolutely no sense of neutrality. There is absolutely no sense of respect, most importantly. And I wouldn't say there is one particular section which is which is very vile. But I think it is across both the spectrum. I think it's become very politically motivated Twitter. Initially, I think we all of us sort of logged into it for information. But I really don't think that's the case right now. A lot of things have changed. And I only go on Twitter. I only sort of, interact with people I feel like interacting with. I share about the movies I do. Not very active on Twitter because I find it very vile. It's very disrespectful. And I realized very early that it's something that, it really affects me in a lot of way. In some way at least. तो मेरा ये है कि यार मैं Instagram पे बहुत खुश हूँ. I love Instagram. I love photography. I love capturing moments around me. So I have identified, Instagram is the place to be for me.
Yeah. So you do have like personal interest in photography a lot, like that?
हाँ मतलब मैं करता रहता हूँ कभी-कभी, especially when I'm out on a holiday without any agenda. मतलब obviously shoots पे तो कई बार ऐसे होता है that you really cannot be clicking pictures because a lot of it is confidential. But I do maintain, I do click pictures on my sets too. I make albums, मतलब एक छोटी-छोटी albums बनाई हैं सारे अलग-अलग projects की.
That's actually very sweet.
Sorry?
That's actually very sweet and like, it's like a memory you are like, keeping.
Yeah. So I'm collecting memories from my own films in, the films that I do. So, but photography is something that I really, really have a very strong interest in. I love clicking pictures, and I have shared some on my social media, on my Instagram profile also.
Yeah.
But that's one passion besides acting, which I think I would love to sort of take up on a more serious note.
Vikrant, even recently, these 3 people were killed in Palghar, and they were brutally killed by the mob. And this is something which every actor is also condemning on Twitter. What do you have to say? Because the reason is not yet clear. People are police is investigating. It was about some rumor which has come out so far in the news. But still there is investigation going on.
Yeah, news का तो ये है कि I'm just sort of sorry to cut you, but कौन सी न्यूज़ पे विश्वास करें, कौन से न्यूज़पेपर पे विश्वास करें, कौन से ट्वीट या आर्टिकल पे विश्वास करें, I think वो it's impossible to find out the absolute truth. But coming back to what happened in Palghar, firstly, I refrain myself from making political statements or politically motivated statements. But as a responsible citizen, I have been following that, and it's absolutely condemnable. It's really ridiculous to see an old man, जो सबसे पहले तो I think they've made a few arrests. I think कुछ 100 arrests हुए हैं as of now, and कार्रवाई उन पे होनी चाहिए, जाहिर सी बात है. और इसको अगर हम किसी रिलीजियस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कलर करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसमें हमारी ही हार है. बट कमिंग बैक टू द अनफॉर्चुनेट रियलिटी कि इसे रिलीजियस कलर दिया जाएगा, इसे पॉलिटिकल कलर दिया जाएगा, उसका हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते अपने घरों में बैठ के. जिन लोगों की हत्या हुई है उन लोगों को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए, उनके परिवार वालों को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए, और साथ ही साथ उन पुलिस वालों की भी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए जिन्होंने उनको उस भीड़ के हाथ छोड़ दिया. हमने वीडियोस देखे हैं कि that poor old man who lost his life, he was trying to cling on to the police officer, but वो भी उसने छोड़ के फिर वो चला गया. तो आज अगर हमारे जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अथॉरिटीज अगर वही ऐसे बिहेव करेंगे तो एक आम आदमी कहाँ जाएगा. एंड सरकार जो है इस वक्त, सरकार को इस चीज को पूरी तरह से देखना चाहिए कि इसको रिलीजियस कलर नहीं दिया जाए. इसे कोई भी तरह से इसको इसको absolute neutral रह के without coloring it with any religion, I think इसको देखना चाहिए.
That is true. Vikrant, when you actually made a decision to shift from television to Bollywood, how was that journey for you personally? I'm sure you might have had your own struggles when you actually did this. So tell me something about that, and how was that overall journey for you, shifting from television where you were already a renowned, actor and, had done such good projects and all over there and a very, famous personality, and, coming to Bollywood, which is completely different, in terms of, getting projects and all that. It's not that easy for sure.
Not easy.
Even television has its own, of course, demands and all, but in Bollywood, it becomes very difficult somewhere, especially when you don't come with, with a background of,
it could happen to me. See, I wanted to act in films. I wouldn't lie. I wouldn't deny that while also I was doing television, a part of my sight was fixed on films. I wanted to do films. I wanted to explore that possibility. But I wouldn't say कि मैंने मतलब बहुत struggle किया है फिल्मों में काम करने के लिए या फिर मैंने बहुत सारी चीजों को त्यागा है, because that is not true. Films just happened. I was called for an audition for Lutera. I went and I cracked that audition and I got the film. So I was lucky in a lot of ways, I can say. कि बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको पता है वो चीजें करनी होती हैं और वो कर भी पाते हैं. So I consider myself very lucky, and I consider कि Vikram Motwane and Anurag Kashyap, who was the writer of the film and producer of the film, they were really kind enough to give me that chance. And then one film led to another, one opportunity led to another, and here I am.
Also, Lutera is one movie which, of course, was not meant for the mass, but something which even now, I love the songs. And even now, if I actually watch it, the movie has something very special about it. Yeah. How was it working in such a good movie, with your very first, debut itself, having Ranveer, having Sonakshi, having such a good, amazing story actually to it?
Yeah, as I said, I was very lucky, the entire team was incredible. Vikram Motwane was the director of the film. Then you had Phantom producing the film. You had Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha there. Adil Hussain was there. Borun Chanda was there, who's a veteran actor in Bengali cinema. So in सबके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, and I was very lucky. My only focus at that point in time was to deliver what my director wanted me to do. Because कहीं ना कहीं एक nervousness भी थी कि पहली film है, and television actors are not considered actors because वो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप की एक्टिंग करते हैं, ऐसा लोगों को लगता है, जबकि ऐसा सच नहीं है. तो ऐसा लोगों को लगता है कि टीवी एक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत लाउड एक्टिंग करते हैं. तो it was a constant effort to strike a balance and make sure that you deliver what the director wants. And the only thing that I was focusing on was एक concentration जो होता है वो आपका beat ना हो, because films tend to be a little lengthier also, and Lutera was Lutera, we finished Lutera in a span of 7 or 8 months, I believe. क्योंकि बीच में रणवीर की तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. बीच में फिर उसके बाद बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ पड़ गई थी डलहौजी में, जहाँ पे हमारा सामान पड़ा हुआ था वो सब डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था, डैमेज हो गया था. तो वो 7-8 महीने में वो फिल्म बनी है. तो टू continuously have that focus and retain that was really tough, but half my job was made easier by the entire team there.
And from doing a supporting role to doing a main role in Chhapaak, the journey has of course turned out to be very good for you. Tell me about working with Deepika Padukone in Chhapaak and playing the lead in the movie, and what you have to say of working with Meghna Gulzar, because of course it's a dream for a lot of people to work with her, and working on such a subject which is very sensitive. How was that experience for you, Vikrant?
It was very heartwarming. It was incredible. Firstly, when I got to know that Meghna ji wanted to, work with me, मुझे तो थोड़े दिन sync नहीं हुआ. And then when I got to know that, Deepika Padukone is going to be a part of it, it was like unbelievable. And मुझे 2-3 दिन तो sync ही नहीं हुआ था. But what matters by the end of the day is that I got an opportunity to be a part of such an important film, a film that it's so unfortunate also at the same time कि ये जो एसिड वायलेंस की अवेयरनेस है वो भारी तादाद में लोगों को इस फिल्म की वजह से पता चल गया. So to be speaking for a cause as such, to be collaborating with such wonderful people is a dream come true. And as I said, one film led to another. ये जितने भी writers हैं मेरे, जितने भी directors, producers हैं, ये सब उन लोगों as actors हम सिर्फ अपना काम कर सकते हैं, but by the end of it, after watching a particular work, when someone else thinks of you, thinks of collaborating with you, I think उनको भी उसका उतना ही श्रेय जाना चाहिए.
Also, the movie was of course very good, but what was in limelight was the controversy of Deepika, visiting JNU. Somewhere, do you think that when an actor is not even supporting or saying anything in a political conversation, and just even she just went and stood there, she didn't even say that she's supporting them, she just went over there. Somewhere just somewhere the actors of course become soft target, and that is the reason why actors avoid and refrain to comment on all these issues a lot.
As I said,
because they
everything is,
have
you know, in the last,
very
I think in the last 6 years or 7 years, or probably say 8 years, 2012 से लेके अब तक हमने देखा है कि पॉलिटिक्स जो है ना वो पानी की तरह हम सबके घरों के अंदर सीप कर चुका है.
हाँ.
You know, you really can't avoid it right now, unfortunately. You open the newspaper, news आपको बाद में दिखती है, पहले आपको पॉलिटिक्स दिखती है. आप कोई भी न्यूज चैनल लगा दीजिए, आपको पॉलिटिक्स वहां दिखती है. एंड इट्स सो बैड. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट व्हाट यू सी इन द न्यूज़पेपर्स, इट्स अबाउट योर नेबर्स आल्सो. आज
Yeah.
मेरे खुद के ऐसे इतने 20-20 साल, 22-22, 25-25 साल पुराने दोस्त हैं जिन लोगों के साथ आज मेरी दोस्ती टूट चुकी है, सिर्फ इसीलिए क्योंकि हमारे पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशंस और पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजीज अलग हैं.
Yeah, that
तो
has
these are very dangerous times.
Yeah, that's true.
And coming back to what Deepika did, I was very proud of her then. I still am very proud of her, and I will always be proud of her. Not because she went and she supported. You're right. She didn't support anyone. She did not stand there
Just
for
went over
or
there.
against
She just-
anyone.
yeah.
She just went. She stood there
Yeah.
for the students, if I can say. And बिना इस चीज के कि वो हिंदू हैं, वो मुसलमान हैं, या वो BHP से आते हैं, या वो कहाँ से आते हैं, उनकी पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी क्या है, नहीं, उसलिए नहीं. एज रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन, आज अगर हमसे छोटे जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो हमारा फ्यूचर है इस देश का, कल को हम बहुत सारी चीजें उन पे हमारा फ्यूचर निर्भर करता है. तो अगर उनके सॉलिडारिटी के लिए अगर हम ये कर रहे हैं तो उसमें मुझे कुछ गलत नहीं लगता. लेकिन उसको पॉलिटिकल कलर देने के लिए उसके बाद आपने देखा होगा कैसे लोगों ने जाके IMDb पे फिल्म को रेटिंग दी है.
Yeah,
लोगों ने क्या क्या
that was funny also because screenshots उसके and even that ticket, you know, जो एक ही जगह पे सब जो जा रहे थे, एक ही चीज.
So ये सारी चीजें जो हैं, ये बहुत ही
dirty है.
बहुत ही बेकार की चीजें हैं. एंड मैं भी, अगर रहा सवाल मेरा कॉन्शियसली, मैं ज्यादा इन चीजों में पढ़ना नहीं चाहता, क्योंकि कुछ टाइम पहले तक तो चलो ठीक था. आई थिंक इट्स गेटिंग वायलेंट डे बाय डे. इट्स गेटिंग वर्स. और ये सारी चीजें मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ये एक पक्ष के लोग कर रहे हैं, नहीं, ये दोनों पक्ष के लोग कर रहे हैं. आज अगर मैं खुली जुबान में ये कह सकूं, आई रियली डोंट नो इफ दिस इज द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म टू से इट और नॉट. आई वुडंट से कि जो जैसे लोग भक्त कहते हैं, यू नो, जो राइट विंग के लोग हैं, वो राइट विंग वाले जितनी गालियां देते हैं उतनी गाली लेफ्ट विंग वाले भी देते हैं. तो इन सब में ना इसमें सारे उतने ही गंद में फंसे हुए हैं जितना कोई एक दूसरे से बेहतर नहीं है.
That I agree with you. And also, like, it's not like only Deepika who actually, like, you know, she just, you know, went and stood over there. But there are, you know, celebrities who actually wrote and, you know, they condemned the act, like, you know, the attack on the students and all. They said, like, you know, but they were not trolled. She just went over there and it became a very big issue, and, you know, a big fuss was created. I am not someone, like, you know, who's that, you know, politically involved and all, but I somewhere feel like, you know, somewhere in India, the system is somewhere spoiling the youth a lot, and a lot of people are focusing on, you know, कौन सी political party को support करना है, क्या जिसके साथ में झगड़ा करना है, and that is what is, you know, spoiling a lot of.
It is up to us. It is up to the people of this country to decide कि what matters to us the most. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Yeah.
आज अगर पॉलिटिक्स एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमारे रिश्ते, यू नो, हमारे घर का माहौल, हमारी दोस्ती यारी, अगर ये सारी चीजें डिक्टेट करेंगी, तो आई थिंक इट इज हाई टाइम दैट ऑल ऑफ अस सिट बैक एंड एनालाइज कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ इट इज, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. जैसे मैंने कहा, मेरे 20-20 साल पुराने दोस्तों से मेरा रिश्ता आज खराब हो चुका है.
I agree with this because that has happened to me also, like where I'm sharing my opinions and then, you know, of course they fight and then they don't talk at all, and like friendship is there since a long time, and, you know, having an opinion one should respect, I feel.
Yeah.
Rather than that गालियां मिलती है in return.
बिल्कुल. और मतलब मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि राइट विंग वाले गालियां देते हैं, नहीं, वो लेफ्ट. मतलब मेरे साथ ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है कि ट्विटर पे अगर मैंने कोई एक ऐसी चीज कही है जो शायद मुझे लगता है कि, जो डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता है कि सही है, तो मुझे लेफ्ट विंग वालों ने आके गालियां दी हैं. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जर्नलिस्ट्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल आई प्रोबेबली, यू नो, लुक्ड अप टू, जिनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरे लिए मायने रखते थे. And I really don't find them any better than the ones they call illiterate. You know, they are educated illiterates. That's the only difference.
That's true. Also, Vikrant, like talking about this movie Chapak, you know, somewhere it's of course a very hard-hitting subject, and even now, you know, as it is sold, you know, in many parts of India, and you know, don't you feel? And of course, like, you know, after the movie released and all, certain actions were also taken by the government, and even like, you know, the film also was, you know, made tax-free in certain states and all. But somewhere, do you feel that, you know, a very stringent action for cases like, you know, acid attack and even for, you know, rape should be taken? Because what is happening that we see that, you know, cases are increasing. but there is no decrease in that. There is no control.
I will
over
not
it.
comment on rape. I really don't know much about it. I would not want to, with all due respect, because if I can say this, you know, मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा जानकारी है नहीं, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah, like in the quarantine phase, in fact, a girl was, you know, raped recently. So
Yeah.
it's very brutal, yes, and like, you know, it was very brutal. So somewhere this is what, you know, it have a very negative impact, you know, on people. And of course, like when you read stories about it a lot, I think these matters are something which is concerning rather than you seeing which party you're supporting. I feel this is what my, you know,
ये आपके और मेरे पे निर्भर है ना कि हम अपनी
Yeah.
जिंदगी में क्या प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं. रोटी कपड़ा मकान, एक इज्जतदार जिंदगी, एक क्या हमारे लिए मायने रखती है. आई थिंक हर एक आम आदमी के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट यही चीजें हैं, यू नो. और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू नो एवरी 20 years देयर इज अ साइकिल ऑफ व्हाटएवर लिटिल अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई हैव, जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है, जो मैंने जाना है, तो ये हर 20 साल में एक साइकिल होता है यार. एंड ये साइकिल से हम गुजर रहे हैं. मे बी 5 years 7 years डाउन द लाइन वील सी अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज जो बच्चे आज स्कूल में शायद 5-7 साल बाद पढ़ के कॉलेज पास आउट करके कुछ अपनी जिंदगी में कर रहे होंगे, जो उन्होंने आज सीखा है शायद उसको यू नो दे लुक बियॉन्ड दैट टुडे. एंड coming back to your question, ki see any form of crime, any form of violence, especially you know crimes against women pertaining rape, अगर हम सिर्फ बात करें तो I think वो तो निर्भया के टाइम से चलता आ रहा है. हमने अभी हाल ही में देखा कि you know उनके गुनहगारों को सजा दी गई है. फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट्स की बात की गई है. फिर यू नो सरकारें बदली हैं, इस सरकार ने कुछ कहा है, उस सरकार ने कुछ कहा है. बट आई थिंक इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू अस, यू एंड आई, पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री, कि हम जेन्युइनली कितना पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, और एक सेंस ऑफ न्यूट्रलिटी रख के हम कितना पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, यू नो. तो हम अपनी जिंदगी में क्या चाहते हैं एज अ सोसाइटी, वो हम पे डिपेंड करता है. और बाय द एंड ऑफ इट जो हम चाहते हैं सरकार भी वही करेगी. अगर हम वाकई चाहते हैं कि ये सारी चीजें बंद हो, तो हमें ही कहीं ना कहीं, एंड नॉट इंटरमिटेंटली, कंसिस्टेंटली, परसिस्टेंटली, यू नो, वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस अप एंड मेक श्योर दैट सम थिंग्स लाइक दिस कम अप. एसिड अटैक की अगर हम बात करें तो एसिड अटैक तो मतलब मुझे भी कहते हुए थोड़ा अजीब लगता है कि हमें एक फिल्म बनानी पड़ी लोगों को इस मुद्दे के बारे में बताने के लिए. हालांकि ये क्राइम जो है ये सालों से चलता आ रहा है. And it is not just India. You'll be surprised to know the amount of acid violence that happens in Great Britain, in England itself. You know, अगर आप देखें तो ये global menace है. ये सिर्फ हमारे society में नहीं है. लेकिन I'm really glad. I also want to see the positive side of it. कि you know finally people are aware of it. And I think after Chapak released, a couple of state governments really announced a few benefits for you know, acid attack survivors. And it's a slow journey, and I think by the end of it, we'll see the light at the end of the tunnel.
That is for sure. Vikrant, what kind of you know projects attract your attention? What kind of movies you would like to do, you know, in the coming future? And what genre is your favorite? Which genre is your favorite?
What genre is my favorite? I think drama is my favorite. I love drama.
Yeah.
Drama is something that really sort of encapsulates me, because मुझे you know human to human interpersonal relationships बहुत पसंद है, you know. And I think conflict is something that you know really interests me, because जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, man is a social animal, तो I think जो ड्रामा है वहीं से आता है जिंदगी में. And so interpersonal relationships, human to human contact, human capacity जो है वो मुझे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट करती है. And what are the films that I'm doing? I'm trying to do you know I'm trying to do different roles. I'm trying to do diverse roles and diverse stories in films and different genres. You know, because I believe that you know I'm still a fair way away from you know still establishing myself in the film industry, and I really want to you know sort of portray different characters, different genres. Win the faith of my audiences and my writers and my producers, and you know I'm still in that phase wherein I have to deliver one film after another.
And the last question to you, what are your plans after the quarantine phase? Like, what are you looking
What are my plans? My plan is to shift immediately, because I was to come back from Haridwar and shift to my new house immediately.
Okay.
you know, but वो नहीं हो पाया. As you said, 22nd या 23rd को उन्होंने lockdown कर दिया, and you know, 20 तारीख के बाद निकल ही नहीं पाया. So I was to actually move. Half my house is packed in boxes.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting for this lockdown to be lifted, and so that I can quickly move, you know, to the new
I
house.
just hope that happens very soon, and I hope 3rd
I
May is
hope
the last lockdown day for us.
I hope
And
so.
there's no extension to it because, you know, all of us are, you know, expecting that also, I think. But I just hope, like, you know, things work out in favor. Hope to meet you soon and, like, interview you one-on-one
Likewise.
after this lockdown.
Likewise.
And take
Likewise.
care, stay safe, and thank you
Thank
for a
you.
lovely interview.
Most importantly, I would want to
Yeah.
thank each and every person who was a part of this thing, you know, who
Yeah.
actually heard us out, who was there.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for all the love. You know, unfortunately, I haven't been able to read all the messages, but whatever I could get my eye on, you know, they're really heartwarming. Thank you so much. And I hope I continue to entertain you guys for as long as I can.
Thank you so much, Vikrant. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Thank you.
You too. Take care. Cheers.